Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sujala. In this session, we learn the TreeView Control and designing with static in ASP.NET with C#. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen, and here Microsoft Visual Studio Express for Web Edition is open already, and here Rich Demo website folder is already open. In File menu, I take new file. And here Visual C# is there, web form file is there, and here give the name of file like TreeView underscore demo. Okay, and just press add button. So in look at the toolbox, the navigation, that is category of toolbox, and there is a menu, and here TreeView. So in this session I cover the TreeView and fix that goal, that is title of our page, TreeView Control. Okay, and in division tag here take one panel that ID like E1 run it server side, and then text grouping text, that is heading of panel, and that is a like we can say that static uh, TreeView design. Okay, so in this lecture or this session, I can cover the static, and there are two techniques. Okay, so let us start. And TreeView we have to take here, and that's ID like TreeView short, and the run at server side and just close. So we can start the directly in design session first, and here you can look, there are three concepts: root node, parent node, and lift node. So here expand button is there, and here edit node, that is hyperlink, I just click, and here all other button is disabled, just that is add a root node, I just click and give the text, and that is we provide like bachelor bachelor degree. So there is a okay, so I just click here, so our bachelor degree is now appear, and now that three button is appear, so I just add the child of bachelor. Okay, so here I click, and then here node is like first we provide like BCA bachelor degree, and just click, and if any mistake like I just select here BCA and give here just click. So there is a chance he in BCA there is node is add, but we have to require bachelor, we have to first add. So that is selected, and just here remove but remove button is there. So there is remove. So select in proper main root or parent node. Okay. So here I just add next bachelor degree, and that is like we can BA, and further I select bachelor, and then root and child of that root, and that is like BCom, we can say that. Okay, so there is three, and next I click the root, so appear to here, and that is we can say that master degree. So I just master, and that master I take the three child, so that is first after BCA, that is master is MCA sequence to that bachelor degree. So select the master, and then click the add child node, and then change the tags, and that is MBA, that is master degree of BBA, and then further select the master, and last that is BCom after MCom, that is a master degree. Okay, now there is sufficient, and now last root node, and that's we have to give like a third. Okay, and that third degree we provide the child, and there is three, and that we have to take here first we have to take like a here like EHD. Okay, so there is add. Okay, we can also give two. So here I can further select and just add, and there is now that is we can give like MFill, and last one, and select the master and then child, and there is a net flat, or you can just net exam. Okay, so that is sufficient. Okay, I just press OK, and I okay, now ready our design, and then we can, in this expand button there is a show line option, so just select, so all line is appear, and also here auto format hyperlink is there. So I just give like our uh, select the last XP, so many style is there. So look at here, simple, there is by default arrow sign, arrow 2, bullet list, so many 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. So you can take contacts is there, events is there, FAQ, frequently asked question, inbox, there is our mail, MSD, and that is a help library, news, simple 2, table of content, window help library, and XP file explorer. So we can give this XP file explorer, just apply and OK. So let us check our source code. So many here, we just see here all the, like here we provide just ID, here image set, that is XP explorer is node indent is 15, and there is root tag, there is nodes. Okay, so there is a next bachelor text and value is automatically appear, and there is 3 bachelor degree BCA BBA and their text and values. Then second master, and there are 3. So and then other, there is 3. So that is a source code. So you can here we apply the first technique to expand our design our tree node and static way. So also here is possibility we can type to ourselves, like here in that start and end tag we provide like that style, and that's like first provide the text, and we provide like sem5 and also value like sem5, just close, and I copy and okay, and copy and paste. Okay, sem6. Okay, and also you can nesting the here, like I close child tags, and you can take the pair tag, and that's also possible that subject you can assign that, like here we can also further, there is no limitation. So nesting, how many times you can apply, here semester 5 subject, so there is first check double is there, and that value, like we can say that same text and value both are same, and then close, and just I copy, and taking only 3 subject, otherwise 6 subject is there, practical and project is there. So here I give only theories part subject, theories. ASP.NET is CSM5 is there with C#, and last one is SEO, and then you can also uh, give the semester 6 subject. So I just close that tag here, and then give that child. Okay, and just copy these 3 node. Okay, and according to semester 3 6 semester subject, so here take like uh, Android, mm, Android. Okay, then DW, data warehousing, and SQL is there. I just use DW, data warehouse. Okay, and last that is a Python. So, Python is there. Okay, so I think now correct. And let us look. So there is a second way you can apply your tree view designing. So here look, there is our now bachelor, BCA, SEM 5, 3 subjects, SEM 6, 3 subjects. Also you can apply the BCA also 1, 2, 3 or 4 for previous semester. And also in BBA you can apply to yourself. Okay, now there is two technique. First, we can take in here also in design source code, and also in design we can take the span button and edit node option is there. So there is a chance. Okay, so and also one possibility is that here I just expand and BCI I can exchange, like you can take up and down. So and also down I can just show you. Okay, so there is up and down button is there, and all property you can select and give their appropriate value, and you can apply, then okay and cancel otherwise. Here there is okay, just and show line is now I can also apply. So here you can apply show line, so all line is appear. Okay, so we can apply the font XP explore, that time show line is removed, so I can just again apply. Okay, now we can take the coding, that is our design is ready. I just double click and there is a select index change node event of open of TreeView, and here we not take any button and label, just response dot write we have used, and there is we can here give the like in E for bold selected node details. Okay, just close that detail, and next response dot write and take here, and that is first provide the BR node text is there, so we could take the text, and that is tree view, that is our tree node ID, and selected node, that is property of main, and that member is text, and just I copy and paste to our required number of time. So here we after give the value, that is property of selected node, and here also according to that change value, and next is like value path is there, so here you can also give the value path, and next is node selected, and that's also is property selected, and that is a return, just you can see bool value boolean true false, and then expanded, and then also expand, so here. Okay, okay, next is a number of child node, so there is here they can give child nodes dot count is number written in integer, so there is property and written in integer. Okay, so there is sufficient, and also take one for loop to print the child node text, so he integer I equal to 0 I less than, like preview id selected node dot count. Okay, child dot count, so here we can use in here, so that type number of our loop is repetition I plus plus, and take response dot write, and in that first provide PR tag, and child text will print of that child node. So tree view selected node child node, and there is a text. Okay, oh, child node of I, that is a 1D array, so that is child node bracket of I, so that is no pronunciation child of I, that is member. And then tags also is there, value is also there, value path is there, to string, okay, selected, all the properties. Navigation is also possibility. If you select that node and next page is open for that node detail description of that node. So like in image URL, image to so many property, expand, path, depth, okay. So you can use, okay, here I just use tags for child node, okay. So that is sufficient. So many then we can use, just run, okay, how it's work. Okay, so okay, so here I just first select the bachelor degree, and there node bachelor, value is bachelor, path is bachelor, selected yes true, expand is true false, number of child 3, BCA, BBN, BCom, and then I select the like ASP.NET in this session. Okay, so there is tax value both same, bachelor path is so long, bachelor BCA M5, and then ASP, expand and selected true, and number of child, there is no any child. So you can also select the master, so that all three child is MCM, MB and MCom, and last below here other degree, and that's the PhD MPhil net. So there is all property. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay, I can summarize last time. In there are two way we can apply our static tree view design. First, we can select this taking, and then expand button is there. You can here edit node option is there, and here root node button, and there is a child node, and there is a delete and up down button. And here we can give just text, that is automatically text, and value is applied to that appropriate. So here first technique, okay, and then we can go in source code and apply to our self typing, and that is we can take 5th sem and 6th sem final year semester of BCA degree, and there is 3 subject of only theory we have to take to ourself, typing to ourself. So other code is appear automatically by span button. So there are two techniques, and there is a static tree view design, that is our goal in this session. After my next coming up video lecture, I cover the dynamic, that is we can run at runtime, and that is design time. So that is called static, and then I can select the tree in design and just double click. So at run mode, if you not click and that page is code behind is not appear, then our page is run mode. So just that shortcut key shift F5, then debug mode is first close and then double click, so that event is open. So that is also one important points. Okay, selected node selected node change event is now open, and here just give the message selected node details, and tree view, that is we can response dot write. In this event we cannot use any buttons or any label, so that is response dot write, that is a member of page class. Okay, and node details, selected node detail like text, value, value path, selected, expand, that is true false both, that is return boolean, and number of child node count, return integer, and that taking the for loop and print that child of I, that is 1D array, and that text we have to print. So I hope you can understand. And also I take one simple here auto format option, and that is we change directly your contact is like looking better. And also you can take simple, that is bullet list, also very simple. So here I just check for last time, apply this contact, and okay. So according to that our source code is also changed in here. That background, all the property like that is all background here. Also you can see image set is now contact. So okay, so I can just run and show you how its contact look in runtime. So there is a contact, just I can close. So all three are looking bachelor, and there is a collapse, and that is expand. So I select the ASP.NET again, and there all detail I can know repetition, and take the bachelor. So that all three PCABBN, that is child taxes and all detail also print. Okay, so that is end of my session. I hope you understand. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates. And thanks for your watching, supporting, sharing my video lecture. Hare Krishna.